Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. I'm here with Artist Till Death, and they make these killer geode. What is this? Like a plexiglass kind of stuff?
It's a cast acrylic.
Cast acrylic. Okay. And we're going to show you how to use them. They're amazing. So it's got paper on both sides. We peeled off one side already, and now we're just mixing up our resin, and then we're going to get started. And Erica is going to school me on doing these.
I'm just gonna do what I can to make sure you love this geode shape.
Yeah. Did we want to use these or no?
Yes.
She's like, yes.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right.
So what are we doing, Dad?
We do have some glass pieces, which we may or may not use. We're still a little on the fence. Okay, so we're using Stone Coat Countertops white base tints. Just resin. What is this?
Titanium.
Titanium. That's nice and messy.
They're all messy.
Just resin. Oh my gosh.
Violet plum.
Violet plum. Can't you tell?
Right?
And whatever this is.
That's a royal amethyst.
Royal Amethyst. Oh, it says it on the bottom.
That's by Resin Art.
Resin Art.
Ford.
Excellent.
Ford.
Ooh.
We do know Rhonda Ford.
Look at that.
That is actually a dry paste. It's super interesting because it like melts into resin a lot easier than it looks like it'd be chunky, but it like
Maze balls.
melts.
New York fumble, Cowboys got the ball.
So at this point, I'm doing a voiceover because we were simultaneously recording videos and there was just a lot going on. So what we're doing is we are using a glue gun to attach the glass pieces. These are glass pieces from Michael's that are just like decorative plant fillers. And we actually put a couple drops of alcohol ink in there to make them purple. They were clear before, so we made them purple. And now we're just gluing them down to the inside of these geode pieces so we can really get that geode effect. We are now putting down the resin, starting with a little bit of clear so that we have some see-through parts to this, just to make it a little more interesting. And then we're going to put down white. You want to put down white under your other colors if you want to get any of the like cell action and lacing action. So actually we started with the purple there and then white on top of that and then more purples on top of that. And then we're going to use Erica's fancy swipe paper, which is basically just kind of like, it's a sticker paper, kind of. And we use the clear side, or the shiny side, rather. And because because there's like a bunch of different colors there, we actually added some of the purple to the paper to swipe with that to make sure that we got a more even swipe. And then just like a regular swipe, you want to set it down gently on your piece. You don't want to push it down. It's sitting on top and it's just gently pulling the resin. At the end, we decided to add a little bit of gold. Now this is Montana gold. It's essentially the same thing that comes in their spray paint, but it is in a can instead, so it's just a liquid. So we took some popsicle sticks and dipped it into that gold and used it to make some lines throughout our geode pieces. Just adding the gold wherever it seemed like it was a good idea.